Do you translate English in your head before speaking? Do you pause, hesitate, and search for the right words? If you want to speak English naturally, fluently, and confidently, you need to learn how to think in English. Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak step by step, with no stress and no pressure. In this video, you'll learn 10 easy ways to train your brain to think in English. No more word-by-word translation, no more long pauses, just smooth, clear, simple English every day. This is not magic, it's a skill, and you can build it one thought at a time. If you're ready to start thinking in English, hit subscribe, and let's begin your step-by-step journey. Tip 1. Name everything around you. Start thinking in English visually. If you want to think in English, begin by looking at your world through English eyes. This means name everything you see in English every single day. No full sentences yet, just simple nouns. You wake up and look around. Say to yourself, pillow, blanket, window, phone, light, socks. You go to the kitchen. Cup, spoon, bread, milk, stove, fridge. This simple practice builds a strong connection between objects and English words. No translation needed. You stop thinking colher equals spoon. You just see it and say spoon. That's step 1. Try this in the morning. Look around your room. Slowly name 10 items. Say them out loud. Do this again in the afternoon and at night. You'll be shocked how quickly your brain starts responding in English. This is slow English thinking. You're not rushing. You're building a solid foundation. It's like learning to label your life in English. Shadowing tip. Once you name the objects, try saying short phrases. I see a cup. I need my phone. This helps you move from words to thoughts naturally. Daily practice. 5 minutes of object naming around your home. You're training your brain for real-world fluency. One word at a time. Tip 2. Use mini sentences for everyday thoughts. Once you're comfortable naming objects, the next step is to turn actions into simple English thoughts. Use mini sentences to describe what you're doing in the moment. Start with I am or I'm sentences. These are beginner-friendly and very powerful. Examples: I'm brushing my teeth, I'm drinking water, I'm opening the window, I'm checking my phone. These small sentences train your brain to think in actions, not just words. The goal is to describe your life in real time, without translation. Set a challenge. Every hour, describe what you're doing with one sentence. No grammar worries, no long explanations, just one simple line in English. Bonus, say it aloud in front of a mirror. Slow down. This is slow English. No pressure, no rush, just clarity and confidence. Shadowing practice. Record or listen to native speakers using these mini sentences. Pause. Repeat with the same emotion and tone. Example: I'm cooking dinner. Now repeat it with rhythm. Over time, your brain starts choosing English sentences on autopilot. This method helps you build a mental habit of living your day in English. Every step becomes a language opportunity. Mission. Pick 5 daily tasks. Describe each one using I'm in English. Repeat them slowly. Shadow them out loud. You are now thinking in full sentences, and that's real fluency. Tip 3. Set English thinking time. Train your brain daily. Here's a powerful trick. Give yourself 5 to 10 minutes every day where you only think in English. No native language, no translation. Just English, even if it's broken or simple. This is your English thinking time. Start small. During this time, describe your thoughts, actions, or plans in English. It's okay if you don't know a word. Explain it using other words. Example, you want to say ice cream but don't know the word. You say, it's cold, sweet, it's in a cone, it melts, I eat it in summer. Congratulations, you're already thinking like a fluent speaker. Combine this with slow English listening. Listen to a short dialogue or podcast, then turn it off and imagine continuing the conversation in your own words. This activates your creative brain. Shadowing drill. Listen to one short sentence like, I'm going out now. Then pause and say, what about you? Where are you going? You're building real conversation skills, not just passive knowledge. Practice plan. Set a 5-minute timer. Think only in English. Use simple words. Repeat daily. Your brain will start switching faster and more naturally into English mode. Tip 4. Practice with shadowing. Copy like a native. Shadowing is one of the best exercises to start thinking and speaking like a native. It's simple. You listen to slow, clear English, then repeat it exactly with the same tone, speed, and emotion. This is not just repetition, it's real brain training. When you shadow, your brain hears, processes, and speaks at the same time. That's how real fluency is built. Start with short sentences. I'm going for a walk. It's a beautiful day. I don't feel like working today. Step by step, listen to the full sentence. Pause and repeat. Repeat again, but try to match rhythm and emotion. Say it one more time with your own twist. Do this for 10 minutes a day. Choose slow English materials like this channel. No pressure, no stress. Bonus, when you shadow sentences like, I'm not sure or that sounds great, you're also learning natural chunks, phrases that natives use often. The more you shadow, the more your brain starts copying not just the words, but the way English is spoken. Tone, emotion, flow. Shadow. Repeat, think, speak. This is the daily rhythm of fluency. Tip 5. Build a chunk bank. Think in natural English blocks. If you always learn single words, your speech will sound slow and robotic. But when you learn chunks, short, natural phrases, your English starts to flow. Examples of useful chunks. I'm not sure. By the way. At the moment. Let me think. These are powerful tools because they don't change. You can use them again and again without thinking about grammar. Create a chunk bank notebook. Every day, write down 3 new phrases you hear in videos, songs, or conversations. Then use them in your thoughts. Example, you learn I guess so. Use it like this. Will she come? I guess so. Do you want tea? I guess so. Shadowing drill. Repeat each chunk 3 times slowly. Then add emotion. I guess so. I guess so. I guess so. Your brain will start storing English in blocks, not individual words. This makes thinking and speaking much faster. Tip: use chunks when writing your daily diary too. This helps your memory and builds automatic response skills. Tip 6. Watch with purpose. Slow listening for fast progress. Watching movies and YouTube videos is fun, but don't just watch. Watch with purpose. This means choosing content that matches your level, watching slowly, and turning it into a thinking exercise. Step by step. Watch a short video with slow English, like this one. Pause after every sentence. Repeat the sentence aloud. Think, how would I use this in my life? For example, Video says, "I'm running late." You pause and shadow, "I'm running late." Then think, "I can use that when I miss the bus." Your brain starts connecting meaning, rhythm, and memory. This is active listening, not passive watching. Try this. Take one short video, 2-3 minutes. Watch it 3 times. First time with subtitles, second time with subtitles off, third time, shadow every line. This helps you build listening, speaking, and thinking skills all at once. Remember, you don't need hours. You need focus. 10 minutes of focused, slow English listening is better than 1 hour of passive watching. Tip 7. Keep a simple English diary. Build thinking flow. Writing is one of the best ways to train your brain to think clearly in English. It forces you to organize your thoughts in a new language, and over time, your thinking becomes smoother and more natural. You don't need to write a long essay. Just start a simple daily English diary. Every evening, write 3 to 5 short sentences about your day. Example, today was cold. I worked all morning. I ate lunch with my friend. I'm tired now. That's it. No perfect grammar, no big words, just your real day in slow English. Why it works. You're teaching your brain to review and describe daily experiences in English. This creates a loop of thinking, writing, and speaking in one system. Shadowing bonus. After writing your diary, read it out loud, slowly and clearly. This becomes both a writing and shadowing practice. Tip. Write in the morning too. Plan your day in English. Today I want to study English, go for a walk, and call my sister. Writing, speaking, thinking fluency. 1 sentence at a time, 1 thought at a time. That's real progress. Tip 8. Repeat short answers all day. Speak without thinking. In daily conversations, most native speakers use short, fast, emotional replies, not long textbook phrases. To think in English, you need to learn these reaction sentences. Examples. Sounds good. Not really. I don't know. I guess so. No way. These short replies help you respond quickly without thinking or translating. Start repeating them out loud during the day, even if you're alone. Practice method. Watch a short clip. Pause after a question. Say your own short answer. Press play and listen to what the speaker actually says. Shadowing drill. Say each short reply with different emotions. Yes, please. Excited, yes, please. Polite, yes, please. Annoyed. This builds fluency in real emotion and rhythm, not just words. Real fluency comes when you don't need to think before answering. These mini replies are the secret. Repeat them while walking, cooking, or in front of a mirror. You'll be surprised how fast your reactions become natural. Tip 9. Talk about feelings. Think emotionally in English. Fluent English isn't just about describing what you're doing, it's also about how you feel. But many learners forget this. They focus on actions, not emotions. If you want to truly think in English, start using emotional sentences every day. Examples. I'm excited. I feel tired. I'm a little nervous. I'm so happy today. These simple expressions help your brain connect English with real experiences. And when feelings are involved, your memory becomes stronger. Try this every time you feel something. Stop. Say how you feel in English. Even if you're alone, I feel lazy. I feel focused. I'm a bit confused. Shadowing practice. Find short dialogues with emotions. Repeat them with the same voice, tone, and speed. This builds emotional rhythm in your speaking. Add emotional sentences to your diary. Today I was stressed, but now I feel calm. This helps you connect thoughts, feelings in English, which is how real communication works. Tip 10. Use the what would I say trick. Practice anywhere, anytime. This is the most powerful tip for daily mental practice. Wherever you go, ask yourself, what would I say in English right now? You're buying food? Hi, can I get 2 bananas, please? Do you have change for this? That's all, thanks. You're at the bus stop? What time is the next bus? Excuse me, does this go downtown? This game trains your brain to think before the moment happens. It prepares you for real conversations without stress. Bonus, use your phone camera like a mirror. Practice speaking your what would I say lines. Watch yourself and shadow your own answers. Example challenge. You walk into a cafe. You say, "Hi, 1 black coffee, please." Then imagine a reply, "Sure, anything else?" Then respond, "No thanks, just that." You've just completed a real English conversation in your mind, and it's all practice. Do this every day, everywhere. Turn normal life into an English learning playground. You'll start thinking, reacting, and speaking naturally and confidently. Conclusion: you don't need perfect English. You need practice. Thinking in English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. You've just learned 10 powerful tips to transform your brain, step by step, using slow listening, shadowing, and simple practice. Pick one tip today and try it. Practice slowly, clearly, and daily. Think in English, 1 sentence at a time. Which tip will you try first? Comment below. And if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Slow English Lab, like this video, share with a friend learning English. Let's train your brain the slow, smart, and fluent way.